During Spain's COVID-19 lockdowns, which personality type, typically expected to struggle with isolation, thrived thanks to vibrant community ties? The answer is extroverts. Which illness did Hammond and Horn's 1954 study prove to be caused by smoking? The answer is lung cancer. In 2014, the United States received the highest number of immigrants from which region? The answer is Latin America. Which website topped a monthly digital traffic report with 92.5 billion visits? The answer is Google. Pittsburgh's major pro teams share a unique color scheme rooted in the city's heritage. Which two colors connect the Steelers, Penguins, and Pirates? The answer is black and gold. Which player holds the NHL record with 2,157 career points? The answer is Wayne Gretzky. Later analysis reported a correlation coefficient of 0.24 between shoe size and IQ scores. How would you characterize the strength of this relationship? The answer is weak. Which economic indicator, essential for tracking inflation through everyday consumer purchases, is abbreviated as CPI? The answer is Consumer Price Index. In the famous Bobo doll experiment on observational learning, which gender imitated same-sex models more frequently? The answer is boys. In a record-setting game on February 7, 2023, which NBA superstar eclipsed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's scoring record to become the league's all-time leading scorer? The answer is LeBron James. Which diagram do geneticists use to predict the probability of offspring inheriting traits? The answer is Punnett square. Which body type do many surveys mistakenly equate with fitness even when the person is inactive? The answer is thin. Which federal agency efficiently surveys U.S. populations using geographic clusters based on city blocks and ZP codes? The answer is Census Bureau. If a weather forecast shows a 30% chance of rain, what is the probability of no rain that day? The answer is 70%. In 3 tosses of a fair coin, what's the probability of getting at least one head? The answer is 7/8. In a zombie outbreak where each undead infects 2 new victims daily, which growth model does this scenario represent? The answer is exponential. Which generation became the largest group in the U.S. workforce by 2019? The answer is millennials. What probability term describes how one coin toss doesn't affect the result of the next toss? The answer is independent events. Which sport did astronaut Alan Shepard famously try on the moon during the Apollo 14 mission? The answer is golf. In statistics, which correlation coefficient indicates an inverse linear relationship where one variable rises as the other falls perfectly? The answer is 1.0.